Introducing the 2023 Hyundai Kona. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Here's a Hyundai Kona, the connected and versatile SUV that brings a fresh sense of adventure to every outing. You'll love the advanced safety features and easy-to-use touchscreen infotainment this right-sized subcompact crossover offers, not to mention its comfortable cabin and agile ride. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, pre-collision system, keyless entry, lane keeping assist, heated mirrors, satellite radio, backup camera, electronic stability control, Bluetooth connection, aluminum wheels. Take a new sense of joy along on every journey in this stylish and connected Kona. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.